Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is define water stress, discuss the effects of water stress on anatomical and physiological changes in the plant growth, also discuss soil and weather based plant water stress indicators. So it is a 20 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 350 words. So first of all, what do you mean by water stress? Water stress refers to a condition where plants experience either a deficiency or excess of water which impairs the physiological processes and growth of plants. Both extremes impair root function, nutrient uptake and cellular activity. So this is the brief introduction about the water stress. That is, water stress is caused by either deficiency of water or due to excess of water. Now what are the anatomical changes that occurs due to the water stress conditions? So under drought, the plants exhibit reduced leaf area, leaf rolling, thickened cuticle and fewer stomata to minimize the water loss. Roots elongate and the root to shoot ratio increases to extract deeper moisture. Xylem vessels narrow to reduce the embolism risk. Embolism is air bubbles. Under flooding, the roots suffer hypoxia, that is absence of oxygen. Parenchyma tissues develop for internal oxygen transport. These parenchyma tissues take oxygen from the outside environment for internal oxygen transport and adventitious roots from near the surface. So these are the anatomical changes that occurs during the water stress conditions. Now what are the physiological changes that occurs during the water stress? Drought stress reduces the stomatal conductance, limiting the carbon dioxide uptake and photosynthesis. Hormones like abscisic acid increases, which causes stomatal closure, while proline, glycine, betaine and sugars accumulate for osmotic adjustment. Antioxidant enzymes like catalase, superoxide dismutase and heat shock proteins counter the oxidative damage. And under waterlogging conditions, anaerobic respiration produces ethanol and toxins, and nutrient uptake, especially nitrogen, is impaired and ethylene-induced senescence is occurred. So these are the physiological changes that occurs during the water stress. Now the soil-based indicators which can tell that whether the plant is facing the water stress or not. So through soil moisture content, that is measured via TDR, that is time domain reflectometry or gravimetric method, we can check whether plant is facing the water stress or not. Through soil water potential using tensiometers, or poor drainage or saturation signals the water logging. Now weather based indicators to check whether the plant is facing the water stress or not is when evapotranspiration exceeds the moisture input, or vapor pressure deficit is more than 2 kilopascals indicates the high water stress. And drought indices like standard precipitation index, that is SPI, and PDSI, that is Palmer Drought Severity Index, assess the rainfall deviation and severity. So these are soil and weather based indicators.